Caribbean Music Awards.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yep, peep, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear out there. Go all beer vibes. You see me I say? So this one has long been waiting for. You don't know the Caribbean Music Awards. You know what I mean? People have been advocating for this for years. And it has finally forward to fruition. Zine, so I'm going to start it that way, yeah. For my people them were tuning in. You see me I say dancehall reggae vibes? Yeah. Big up to all of the people them who win the 50 US. You know what I mean? Who get merch and one world or something last month. You see me I say all our new subscribers, big up on yourself. All the people them who just hear the voice, you don't know. So watch you now. Nailah, Blackman, and Skinny Fabulous, they got video of the year for Soca. So pre the whole thing. Zin? Yeah. So DJ Puffy, International DJ of the Year. Zamfem, Kampa, Band of the Year. Asa Banton, you know what I mean, the People's Choice. Byron Messi, Song of the Year, Taliban. You know that one there already. Yeah, so we have Nailah, Blackman, and Skinny Fabulous again. I grabbed the collaboration of the year for Soca category. Song of the Year, Come Home. We don't know that one there. All the Soca event go on, and the people them jump up to that one there. Zin, Burna Boy, and Byron Messi, collaboration of the year in the dancehall category, Taliban. Yeah, man. Shenseea, artist of the year. You know what I mean? Female dancehall. Lila Ikea, you know, artist of the year, female reggae category. You know, Patrice Roberts, artist of the year. Yeah, man. Female soca, you see it? Valiant grab artist of the year, male dancehall. Zane, Romeo and Virgo. You don't know them, man. They grab artist of the year, male category, reggae music. Zane, Skinny Fabulous. Yeah, artist of the year, male soca. I don't know Nigel boy Poppy in our place, best new artist, dancehall category. You see me? Ras-I, best new artist, reggae category. Young Bredda, best new artist, soca category. Yeah. So, may I tell you, the Caribbean Music Awards look good and I love all the singer set, digging out the pearls and the gems them within the music fraternity. I will continue. So 450 Impact Award. You know what I mean? Dancehall category. Pumpa. Yeah. From 2023. Yeah, Impact. You know what I mean? Impact Artist of the Year. Buju Banton. Yeah, grab the album of the year for the reggae category. I don't know. Born for Greatness. Masicka, album of the year, dancehall. You know that one, the Generation of the Kings. Mr. Ridge, artist of the year, Bouyon. So yeah, my people, that was it for all of the artists them from within the Caribbean where shine, outshine and stand out and grab them awards. You know what I mean? The people them who curate such an event, sit down and them look and see where these artists deserve these awards and deserve to be looked at. You don't know, congratulations from Dancehall Reggae Vibes to all of the nominees, all of, you know what I mean, the artists who were awarded at the Caribbean Music Award. You don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Vibes, Beer Fun, Beer Things, must be Beer Fox. Our world, Dancehall Reggae Vibes. Yeah, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe now. You hear my talk.